Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, we will see how booting works in computer. So let's begin our session. So what is booting? The starting up of the computer is known as booting. In another word, we can say booting is the process of loading an operating system into the main memory, into the RAM. Now let's see booting steps one by one. First, we switch on the computer. After we switch on the computer, CPU runs the BIOS to start the booting process. BIOS checks the motherboard, input output devices like hard disk, keyboard, mouse, main memory, RAM, video card, if those are working fine or not. So this hardware checks is known as post power on self test. If there is any issue with main memory, video card, input output devices, then BIOS produces the beep sound and display a text message on the screen and the booting would be stopped. If all checks are passed successfully, then BIOS would initialize the hardware. BIOS loads the basic driver of keyboard, mouse, video card into main memory and it will move on to the step 3. Before we discuss the step 3, first you need to understand the screenshot I have attached here. At the top right, this is the view of hard disk, how our hard disk look like. At the first position in the sector 1 you can see the master boot record, and then in the green box you can see the system partition and the boot partition in the blue box. Master boot record having 3 part: bootstrap code, partition table and MBR signature. System partition, which is holding the bootloader program, and boot partition is the one where operating system installed. This is the view of hard disk. Now let's see the third. Now BIOS will check the bootable device to load the master boot record, which present in the sector 1, beginning of the hard disk. You can see in the red box. So this master boot record is loaded from disk to main memory. Then BIOS will validate if this master boot record is valid or not, looking at the MBR signature of this master boot record. You can see the at the third number MBR signature. So if this MBR signature is not valid, BIOS will not continue the booting process with this hard disk, with this bootable device. In that case, BIOS will check the another bootable device if present any. So with the another booting device, BIOS will repeat the same checks. If again fails, BIOS will check again another boot device. If there is no other boot device present, BIOS will stop the booting process and will show the message on the screen. Now, if the MBR signature is valid, then BIOS will execute bootstrap code. You can see in the yellow box. So this bootstrap code calls the bootloader present in the active partition. You can see in the green box. And the bootloader will load the operating system from the hard disk into the main memory. So this is the whole process of loading the operating system into main memory. Once the operating system is loaded into the main memory, fourth step is executed. So let's see the fourth step. Once OS is loaded into the memory, operating system starts its own initialization. Means it will load the necessary device driver, it will load the system utilities, antivirus, volume control, and once the operating system initialization is completed, operating system starts a GUI cell which will display the screen to the user. Once user able to see the screen, the booting process is finished. Once booting is finished, operating system takes the control on the computer system. So this is how the booting process works. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.